Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this gaming headset for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because you can connect it to different devices with your computer, your cell phone, your iPad, your gaming consoles, which I think they are really nice. It comes packaged in this bag, and this is the main unit. As you can see, they are really nice. You have each side mark on the inside, and you have a microphone that you can adjust, okay, wherever you need, which I think it's really nice function. You can extend these pads, okay, depending of what you need. I'm gonna set it up like that. In this side we have a Type-C entrance and some buttons to control your gaming headset. I'm gonna test them on. They feel really cushioned, and I think they are really nice. They fit perfectly. You also get included all the cables that you need to use it, as you can see, even to charge it, which I think it's really nice. We also get the product manual. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick read. Something that I find quite nice of these headphones is that you get all these options to connect it. So I'm gonna first test it wirelessly with this USB-A receiver into my console. Okay, I'm gonna turn them on and I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, right now it's connected. You cannot hear it through the TV, which is nice. And I can adjust everything. I can turn off the microphone or turn it on with this button using like a regular, other type of microphones, which I think it's really nice. And to control the sound of it, we press the main menu, and in here we can, as you can see, control the volume, turn it down. Also, we can select if we want to mute the game, voice chat, which I think it's really nice. And obviously it detects it as a output device, being the USB headset, which I think it's a nice option. So now I'm gonna test it with it being wired, okay? Obviously I'm gonna take it out of here. Right now, as you can see, it's disconnected. I'm gonna turn it off and connect it just with this cable, which is a 3mm jack audio to USB Type-C. I'm gonna connect it to my headphones and then onto my controller. Once again, it detected the output device, but this time being through the headset of the controller, which as I've said, it's nice. It has a perfect size, so it doesn't feel too clunky in your head. And lastly, I want to connect it with Bluetooth to my cell phone, so just give me a second while I connect it, okay? Okay, I pressed the button so it enters some Bluetooth modes, and that way my cell phone will recognize it. Now that I have my headphones connected, I can listen to any music that I want with them. I'm gonna test them out. They have a really nice sound quality, which I found really great. And another feature that I find quite nice is that you can control, have a little bit more of control over your volume, because you have the proper volume of your cell phone when you turn the volume knob up or down. And you can also regulate it a bit from how it is right now with the side wheel to control the volume, which I think it's really nice. That way you can set it up to a really specific audio level, which I think it's great. And overall, I like them a lot. They are really nice. They feel great, and I would really recommend them. See you guys.